Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to design this t-shirt print in Canva. So let's start. First go to Canva dashboard and select typography t-shirt. Then go to element section and search image for the tiger or king. I select that image and drag over the page. Set like this. Now I want to write the name king, so search for the letter frames. So search frame for the all letters. All the letters placed in that way which are shown in the videos. Now duplicate our hero image, add and place in all letters like this. Make sure all the image overlap on each other. Every time you have to duplicate the hero image and place in all frames. So our design is ready. Now remove the background of hero image and drag that image like this. So this it is. Download that image. Now go to mockup app and search the mockups for t-shirts. So we can represent this design as well. So I select that mockup. So our t-shirt design is ready. You can add the background also. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you like this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.